let's get your tags set up. Now, tags is a feature that is optional. If you want to utilize tags, they are custom labels to help you find people fast and allow you to send bulk correspondence, which is handy. We're going to hit the download template button. With the Excel spreadsheet open, remove our demo data and start creating your own tags. It's a good idea to keep them relatively short, and you could base them around specific roles like Boilermaker or administration, or even locations like Queensland or Sydney team. It's completely up to you how you design them. Once complete, head back to the onboarding screen and hit that next button. Drag and drop your Excel file in and hit next. The system will do its validation checks. Any issues found will be listed below along with the corresponding Excel line, so you can head back, fix them up and re-upload. If it's all good, just click next. Give that data a quick review and then hit next. Looking good, smash that Start Import button. And we have success. The tags you've just created and imported can be found living down here on the tags page.